Hello everyone, welcome to Buyer Advisor, the best product review channel on YouTube. To make this video, our experts reviewed 100 plus products and picked only the best items for you. All products are available on Amazon. Discount lovers can check below in the description for special product links. So let's get started.
Our number one choice is Harris Farms Nurture Right Incubator. With an automatic egg turner, temperature and humidity control, and a capacity of 22 chicken eggs, 12 to 18 duck eggs, and 22 to 24 pheasant eggs, hatching eggs has never been easier. This egg incubator has 360 degrees viewability, so you can monitor eggs from any angle. Whether you use it as a chicken incubator or a duck egg incubator, you'll have complete visibility of your eggs during the incubation process. With this egg incubator's 360 degrees airflow circulation, you can achieve optimal hatch rates. Our Nurture Right incubator offers even heat distribution and temperature stability for hatching, making it the ideal chicken egg incubator. This incubator should only be used with the included power supply unit. This incubator must be placed in a location where animals cannot get it. Do not use this infrastructure on the floor. Because of the CO2 concentration, the air near the ground is not fresh. This is not a toy incubator. When utilizing the incubator, children should not play with it and should be monitored by an adult. The timer will begin counting down from 21 days the moment you connect in the unit and will automatically stop 3 days before hatching. For details, let's watch more. Our second best incubator for chicken eggs is Salenovo Egg Incubator. For a stable incubator temperature distribution, the induced airflow system is powered by a powerful circulating fan. Temperature warnings can be used to set the threshold. The over-temperature warning lowers the number of mistakes made throughout the incubation procedure. Removable and adjustable egg tray spacing improves egg housing and separation during incubation. The egg hatching incubator can automatically rotate the eggs every 2 hours to ease the incubation period and accelerate hen hatching for a greater hatch rate. Automatic chicken waterers are an excellent addition to any poultry house. This chicken water cups ensure that your flock has a steady supply of drinking water. A spray bottle was presented as a gift, and it can be used to atomize eggs in order to keep them at the right humidity level. 360 degrees transparent insulation cover allows for observation of developmental changes in all directions. The egg incubator is simple to assemble and excellent for raising a wide range of eggs, including 12 to 15 chick eggs, 9 to 12 duck eggs, 35 quail eggs, and so on. Set your species' optimal temperature and precisely monitor current heat on the simple LED dashboard. An inbuilt fan circulates air to maintain a steady, comfortable climate. Third pick in our list is Magicfly Mini Egg Incubators. The Magicfly Egg Incubator is simple to assemble and operate. To adjust the temperature, simply hit plus or. This incubator provides a considerably more constant temperature for your eggs, resulting in a higher hatch rate. This easy and reliable egg incubator is fun for families who wish to start incubating chickens, ducks, geese, quail, and other animals. It is made of lasting healthy PP plus ABS material. The simple form and functionalities allow children to understand the fundamentals of egg incubation. The auto turner can help you save time spent babysitting the eggs. It has movable dividers and can hold 9 to 12 eggs depending on their size. It usually holds 9 chick eggs, ideal for usage at home. This basic and dependable egg incubator is ideal for the family or household looking to begin incubating chickens, ducks, or geese. The simple design and functionalities allow anyone to understand the fundamentals of egg incubation. The temperature of egg incubator may differ from the temperature of house-used thermometer. When the ambient temperature is less than 25 degrees Celsius, it is best to implement heat preservation measures. When the gadget is surrounded with garments or other things, it improves temperature uniformity, saves energy, and lowers heat dissipation. And if the temperature in the environment reaches 37 degrees Celsius, 98.6 F, the temperature in our incubator may reach 41 to 43 degrees Celsius. It is better to utilize it in a cool environment. For details, let's watch more. Number 4 in our side is Backyard Farm Hatch-Made Egg Incubator. The auto-rotate egg turner eliminates the stress and inconvenience of repeatedly opening the incubator, potentially leaking valuable humidity. The auto-turn mechanism allows for less human contact and reduces the possibility of infections or contaminant spreading. Chicken, ostrich, quail, duck, dove, pigeon, fowl, goose, peacock, pheasant, and other birds are incubated and hatched. Incubators for hatching eggs aren't just for large farms. 13 inches long, 9 inches broad, 7 inches high, 3.5 pounds, holds 9 average-sized chicken eggs or around 12 little quail eggs. Fits perfectly on a tiny countertop or in a classroom. The ideal egg hatching machine for learning and enjoying the incubation process without putting dozens of valuable fertilized eggs at risk at the same time. The thermometer calibration function on the Hatchmade allows you to adjust/calibrate the thermometer straight from the digital LED display. It also includes a forced air blower to efficiently disperse heat evenly throughout the incubator. If so, you already know what a nice fuzzy feeling it brings, and you need to have it again and again with the Hatchmade Egg Incubator. Backyard Farm has a great heart for hatching chicks, which is why it designed the original Hatchmade incubator. When it comes to picking a tiny incubator, it caters to all levels of experience and delivers the most value when used in homes, school classrooms, and even research labs. Number 5 in our top 5 best incubator for chicken eggs list is Bellini Full Automatic Egg Incubator. Made of newly developed PET material, which maintains its high durability and integrity for long-term usage, and powered by smart technology to make it resistant to high and low temperatures. The advanced tray has adjustable dividers that may be adjusted to suit species of varied sizes while keeping eggs safely separated. The egg tray will automatically push back and forth every 2 hours to achieve egg rotation, which dramatically boosts hatching rate. There are also distinct options for the number of days and timing for turning eggs, providing the user complete flexibility. Temperatures can be set to ensure a stable and safe environment for embryo development. Includes high/low temperature alarms for easy monitoring and drastically decreases the likelihood of low hatching rates due to temperature management issues. Simply place the egg on the LED candling lamp to examine and test the viability of each embryo, as well as visually monitor egg development. You may vary the humidity level by adding different quantities of water to the tiered water tank using the built-in water channels. There is no need to be concerned about water overflow because there are openings in the bottom. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.